Hello and welcome back, everybody, as we explore Racoon, or Coon Cave as it's known. This was a really fun trip, and part of the reason I'm voicing over my entrance to the cave is because it was pretty narrow, and there was a little drop at the bottom. And previously, a porcupine had been spotted in the entrance, only maybe 2 or 3 weeks prior to us going in. And the whole mission today was to go in and close the cave for the winter to help protect the bats and also make sure there's no one in there after we close the gate getting locked in. But it was a blast. Thank you, Kim, Carl, and Rhett for going along with me. Had a great time. Towards the back of this cave, there's a little clay sculpture room, which was really amazing. Everyone who's come in here leaves a little clay sculpture signature in this back room. And there's also really cool crawlways that are partially flooded, crystal clear water, and there's a big rock in the center of the cave that you could sit on and you'd slide down it just like a slide at a playground. So it was an absolute blast. We got the cave cleared, mission accomplished, and I wasn't quilled by a porcupine, so it was a great day. Anyhow, thank you for joining me today, guys. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get in there and get muddy.
Yeah, Carrie was on that trip. Carrie floats a lot better than I do. He was just bobbing going up.
Whoa.
Holding on the wall. He was scared for my life.
This is so cool.
That's a drag spot. The fish got all fluffy.
Should I go to the right, Kim?
Yeah, you want to get them coming through the water?
Yeah,
There's actually a little more, because over here, it's usually not over here.
I remember it being
anybody down there?
they come in here and look for people and film this one.
Hide and go seek in a cave.
Down there? I don't remember all the water. I just
That one room.
That's why I'm feeling dry coming out.
But you can go there without doing your one more often.
There's my favorite cave in West Virginia. And, like these kind of passages here.
Yeah.
It did rain pretty much last night.
Yeah, it did.
There's an ankle twister right there. Yeah.
This is really pretty neat.
Yeah.
It's fairly recent. Fairly recent.
Well, no.
We're right around the one, dude.
Yeah, this is the normal.
And I'll tell you what, the weather as warm as it is, insects are around longer.
These the sculptures in here. So I've been to the Antelope Canyon, and this reminds me, except it's all bright color, and there's no ceiling, but it's a slot canyon.
Yeah, it does remind me of that.
It's just the way, because the water goes to that slot canyon and sculpts the.
How close is the open and back out? What's that? There's a screen, or
Yeah, it's been in.
they work their way around. Yeah, this week the highs were all like in the upper 70s. It's like, holy geez, this isn't good October.
No. Our seasons are definitely.
This difference, those are definitely fresh.
Yes, they are. They're.
I mean, they're pointed out, but it looks like one person in and out. Like, what the heck?
Some local. Yes.
Seems like it'd be incredibly hard for them to even find it.
Well, we had a flag that was for the people to, supposedly trap the porcupine. Here, it took all the flags down.
Oh, did he?
Yeah,
Oh, way up, okay.
I told him to. And aside from that, we had to flag the trail because the stilt grass was so bad. You couldn't, I just left it because I had to go to bed at night.
Make sure nobody's there.
We should almost be to the mudroom, aren't we? Yeah.
Halfway.
Come on, Hampton. I know the mudroom's way in the back.
Yeah, I'm just gonna find them.
Greg, your breath smell like porcupine shit.
Good.
I told Carl, please put shit on the outside of my pants, not the inside.
Anybody down in there? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that's why I had to do what I had to do before we came up here. Otherwise, it would have been for me.
Here, porcupine. Now, what happens if he comes back into it when we go to leave?
Well, Gary's out there making sure. That's why we stick somebody at the entrance.
Ah. Alright.
I had to drive him on Michael last time back. But he wasn't safe.
He's just happy to go for a hike.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, not better.
No, I'm all about driving up that hill. I have hiked it.
Well, if you were just hiking and going for a casual hike and then weren't going caving, or, you know, like
No, it was 1992
in the rain.
when I hiked up here with the Pennsylvania Redwoods and found this cave. I didn't even go in it because I didn't have my cave and stuff, but I just wanted to find it. Tom?
So this is the sculpture room in Coon Cave.
That's pretty big room, right, Mark?
Yeah, it's definitely, you can stand up.
Maybe I'll be like the other way, so she said either way.
Clayton. That's pretty creative.
I need to be where you are. I'm just sliding on the mud. You're gonna have fun getting up this.
This is cool.
I need a little bit of water. The ones that have the big sign that says "Don't damage the formation."
Yeah, the big bacon and all that, they're off of the side.
And it's like huge writing hall. Like I could a couple times get pretty comfortable going through the city. It's not too complicated.
They're over here, Carl.
Yeah, this one seems pretty easy to navigate.
Well, the main thing is with this cave would be.
You can
Look at a lot of these formations.
Yeah, it's over here. You go
Yeah, there's
further.
a
Wow.
bigger place that says don't break them.
It's over here.
That's like in huge right here.
Yeah, right.
Those are beautiful.
Oh, here's the shot. Here's the shot. Look at that bar.
Look at the zombies, right?
So this is the little bear wallow. And oh yeah. Those are
Claw marks?
yeah, can you see the claw marks against the wall?
I can't.
Look at that.
Well, I can't see where your helmet is. I can't see the
Oh.
He's not talking to you, he's talking to you.
Hey buddy. Cool little salamander.